Welcome back, guys. Do you remember what happened previously? And the best part yet? A new name. From now on, she shall be called Arctos. Well, apart from that, there was a cat and a dog, and the same cat and the same dog twice. But today is special. You know why?
We're ready to go. Guess who's coming? Arctos.
Now all the preparations are done and I've brought crew with me. My uncle, my mother and my friend Alex are all here to join the crew. Well, my mother is here just for the video coverage, to be honest. Oh, and she needs to take the car back. Anyhow, here we are splashing the boat and I'm super nervous because I've changed all the through hulls, remember? So excited and so nervous at the same time. The first moments were just hell, mixed with paradise. Oh yeah, and the engine wouldn't start because we didn't know how to preheat it. And then some training with the dinghy, just to get familiar with it, in case we need it. I can hear you judging me. You know what? My mother insisted on rowing, so I took the offer.
Έτοιμος, πάμε.
And as Poseidon was waiting for his drink, we needed to treat him.
Έλα. Άιντε, μπράβο ρε. Αυτά είναι.
I was so happy. I was dreaming of this moment for so many years. An extensive engine test was required, so we spent the rest of the day doing that. But the day was so beautiful, so nobody really complained about the tests. Especially me. I was having the time of my life. Well, you know, it was a mixture of anxiety and excitement. But the following morning came sooner than we expected and we had to make preparations for our departure. Sail away. Well, the plan was to exit the Gulf, sail by the island of Scathos, sail to Chalkidiki and make our way to the north, where Thessaloniki is. And here we are, raising the anchor and sailing Arctos for the first time. Happy first day of motoring. It's generally the first day, so everything goes well. The sun was really great today and the temperature was not too bad, and I have my uncle and my friend Alexis with me. Pretty nice start of the season. So we're now trying to motor our way to the south side of Pelion before we enter the Aegean Sea, and this is how it looks. And as always, this is your time to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, your time to like the video if you truly liked it, and why not sharing it with your friends or enemies. So what? And just in time, the dolphins came to celebrate launching Arctos. Oh, look at the dolphin, look at the dolphin. Where is it? Yeah, just one lone dolphin. Whoop. Where were we? And as the crew was hungry, really hungry, I had to cook in the middle of the sea for the first time. But they ate a lot. Way too much. Wow. First night sail! Yoo-hoo! The third and the last day of our trip. So this is the last day, sailing on our way to Thessaloniki just to deliver the boat back home to me. We slept for 2 hours, plenty of time for us at least. We're in this beautiful scenery, trying to prepare the boat. And then more dolphins came to welcome us to the North Aegean Sea. Just spectacular. We have finally arrived after 3 days in the sea to the misty city of Thessaloniki, where my parents are. Let's see if we can anchor anywhere at all. It's a difficult port to anchor, and then it's a quite difficult place in general. The anchorage I've chosen is pretty safe from the northerly winds, so let's see. And the anchorage I've chosen sits just between the Nautical Club of Kalamaria and the marina. It also appears to be the only safe place to anchor in the whole city of Thessaloniki.
Από το περίγαλι.
Where my parents is. Where my parents are. This is me signing off. Until the next season, keep chasing your dreams. One horizon at a time. Go for it.